complete active window within the specific time. See, you have some doubt. Already thread dot sleep is there. Already thread dot sleep is there. Why we need to use the implicit wait? If you guys are use the implicit wait, we are unable to throws at throws declaration. If you want to use thread dot sleep, we are able to throw some declaration. So maximum we need to use in real time also implicity wait. Maximum in real time also we need to use implicity wait. Okay. See, when you guys are use the implicity wait, the time we are able to hold the active window within the specific time. Okay. See, explicit wait. What is the difference between implicit wait and explicit wait? The explicit wait, the explicit wait. See, once you guys are use implicit wait and explicit wait both, implicit wait and explicit wait both. See, the implicit wait will be applicable whole application within 10 seconds. Clear? Explicit wait, after 10 seconds also, your expected element is not to display. After 10 seconds also, your expected element is not displaying. You need to apply extra time to your expected element. Is it clear or not? We have 10 elements is there. I need to apply some weight for 10 elements. Okay. My weight will be applicable to 10 elements. My weight will be applicable to 10 elements. Is it clear or not? Okay. My weight will be applicable to 10 elements. See, out of 10 elements, one element is my expert element is not displaying. Out of 10 elements, one element is not displaying. So I need to apply the extra weight to 10th element, only 10th element. Okay. That is we call explicit weight. You guys are able to understand or not? Online? Online guys, is it clear? It is clear or not? We have a 10 elements is there. I need to apply the implicit way to 10 elements. How long it will be take? 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I want to click on the 10th element. The 10th element is not displaying within the 10 seconds. The time what I need to do, I want to put some extra weight only for 10th element. Out of 10 element, second time when I put the weight to second time, that weight will applicable only for 10th element. The, that weight name is the explicit weight. That name weight name is the explicit weight. Is it clear everybody? Is it clear or not? Is it clear online? Mahesh, Das, shall I repeat? Shall I read? Guys, you guys are able to understand? Yeah. Now I will make a code. Just I want to click on the public static void main. Click on finish. Once I click on the finish, I need to provide launch method. Already is there. Just I need to provide the launch method. Okay. See, I need to launch the browser. Once I launch the browser, what I need to do? I want to click on this air condition. So within the time the air condition is not displaying, just imagine within the time the air condition is not displaying. I want to put some extra weight to only for air condition. So what is the implicit weight? See, I need to remove this one. Add throws declaration is not required. See, driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait 10 seconds. I need to provide 10 seconds. Time unit dot seconds. Time unit dot seconds. See guys, you guys are no need to throw any exception here. Okay, you guys are no need to throw any exception here. You can apply 10 seconds. You can apply 10 seconds. Okay, and after that here I want to click on the air conditioner or anything. Just I want to click on the air conditioner refrigerator or okay, right click on here, inspect ACs. Okay, alert is there. Control F, IMA, ELT within the single code. Okay, 2 is highlighted. 2 is highlighted. Okay, now first one is highlighted. Is it clear? So you guys are observe this weight will be applicate complete application. This weight will be applicable complete application, but air condition it will be take more than 10 seconds. The air condition within the 10 seconds it is not displaying. It will be take more than 10 seconds. The time how I need to handle public void explicitly. You guys are observe WebDriver weight equal to WebDriver weight. WebDriver weight equal to new WebDriver weight and duration, comma of seconds. First of all, I need to import the WebDriver. Here we are expecting WebDriver weight. WebDriver weight equal to new WebDriver weight. WebDriver weight. Here we need to provide units driver comma duration of seconds. I need to provide extra 5 seconds. 10 plus 5, 15 seconds. Okay. See, driver comma duration of 5 seconds. Now I will provide. So I need to import WebDriver wait. WebDriver wait. WebDriver wait. We are expecting this one. WebDriver wait. New WebDriver wait. Okay, we need to import the WebDriver wait. Maybe it will be Control S. WebDriver wait. Parameters. Actually, this is the control S. Okay, I will write a WebDriver wait command. I will import the WebDriver wait. Open Selenium dot WebDriver dot WebDriver. Okay, just a minute. WebDriver wait. Here command is there. This is the WebDriver wait. Okay, and here we need to provide the WebDriver wait. We need to provide W is the uppercase. Yes, that is the okay WebDriver wait. And once we import the WebDriver wait, import org.openqa selenium support.ui dot WebDriver wait. And once you guys are provide wait dot until wait dot until okay expected condition dot expected condition dot expected condition dot visibility of element located. Expected condition or conditions dot expected element visibility of element located. See here visibility of element located. Okay, visibility of element located, that's one. Okay, see, wait when until the element visible out of 10 element is not visible, one element. So what I need to do, wait until the expected element is visible, then you need to click on, the expected element. See, I need to provide the 5 seconds. I need to provide the 5 seconds. So 10 plus 5, 15 seconds. Within the 15 seconds the element is visible, I need to apply click action. By dot xpath, we need to provide the expected element, copy, paste it here, and after that here you guys are provide web element we, just I need to import web element. Okay, so we dot we dot huh? we dot, which action you need to perform after displaying click action. You guys are unable to understand, I think. See, this weight will be applicable complete whole page. Okay, our expected element is not displaying within the 10 seconds. Our expected element is not displaying within the 10 seconds. I need to apply some weight only for that element. If I want to apply some weight only for that element, I need to use explicit weight. See, if you want to write the explicit weight, WebDriver weight, driver comma duration of seconds, weight object name until expected condition is visibility of located. Your expected condition, your expected element is visible, you need to apply the click action. You need to apply the click action. Obj dot launch, obj dot explicit. So now I will execute. Right click on here. You guys are observe. I want to click on my expected element. The browser, Firefox browser. Okay, launch the Firefox browser. You want to click on the air condition. Yes, it is clear. So that is we call synchronization in Selenium. Write down synchronization in Selenium. Synchronization in Selenium. There are different types of synchronizations is there in Selenium. There are different types of synchronizations is there in Selenium. There are different types of synchronizations is there in selenium. First one, thread dot sleep. Second one, implicity. Third one, explicity. Fourth one, fluent. 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 Wait. Okay. Yeah. You know, guys, thread dot sleep. Okay. Yeah. The if we want to use the if we want to use thread dot sleep, thread dot sleep, thread dot sleep. If we want to use the thread dot sleep, if we want to use the thread dot sleep, we are able to hold the we are able to hold the active window. We are able to hold the active window within the specific time. Next one, implicity wait. Implicity wait. Next one, implicity wait. Implicity wait. If we want to provide the implicity wait, if we want to provide the implicity wait, this is also, if we want to provide the implicity wait, this is also applicable. If we want to provide the implicity wait, this is also applicable. Complete. This is also applicable. Complete active window. Complete active window. Okay. Next line. Note. Note. While using the thread dot sleep, while using the thread dot sleep, while using the thread dot sleep in that code, while using the thread dot sleep in that code, we are able to throw the declaration method level. While using the thread dot sleep, we are able to throw the declaration method level. Okay. Next one. Sometimes we are able to get the error when we are using sleep command. Sometimes we are able to get the error while using the sleep command. Sometimes we are able to get the error while using the sleep command. Next line. Next line. If we want to use the implicity wait, if we want to use the implicity wait, we are unable to throw any type of exception. We are unable to throw any type of exception. We are unable to throw any type of exception. We are unable to throw any type of exception. Clear? Is it clear or not? Explicit weight. Explicit weight. Explicit weight. Explicit weight. Yeah. When we are providing the implicit weight, when we are providing the implicit weight, that weight will be applicable complete home page. That weight will be applicable complete home page. Okay, full stop. When we are using the implicit weight, the weight will be applicable complete home page. Full stop. Within the implicit time, our expected element is not displaying. Within the implicit time, our expected element is not displaying. We need to apply some extra time. We need to apply some extra time only for that element. Only for that element. Some extra time we need to apply only for that element. This is we call explicit weight. This is we call explicit weight. Yeah. See guys, what is the fluent weight? Listen. We have some test cases is there. 5 test cases is there. These 5 test cases I want to execute within 30 minutes every 5 minutes. Is it clear or not? See, every 6 minutes. Okay. I have 5 test cases is there. These 5 test cases I want to execute every 6 minutes. Every 6 minutes. If I want to execute the 5 test cases every 6 minutes, I need to apply the fluent weight. I need to apply the fluent weight. See, when you guys are use the fluent weight, every 6 minutes is completed, automatically the code will be executed. 6 minutes is completed, automatically the code will be executed. So that is we call fluent weight. What is the fluent weight? If you want to execute any expected test cases within the specific time, again and again, we need to use the fluent weight. Okay, I will repeat. If you want to execute any expected test cases within the time, again and again, automatically, we need to use fluent weight. Okay, so they didn't ask in interview time. Listen. They didn't ask in interview time weights. They will ask synchronization. Don't confuse. Selenium terminology synchronization is different. Java terminology synchronization is different. So you don't forget that one. Is it clear? The next one is page load wait also is there. Page load wait. See, the active window, it will be take some time. The active window, it will be take some time. Okay. So you need to apply only for that parent window some wait. That is we call page load wait. Page load wait. Mostly we are using thread do impl expl only. Okay. Yeah. Fluent wait. If you want to execute any expected test cases within the time, if we want to execute any expected test cases within the time again and again, automatically, if you want to execute any expected test cases within the time, again and again, within the time, again and again, automatically, we need to use fluent wait. We need to use fluent wait. No, no, no. Nawaj, after 6 minutes is completed, one test case will execute. After the 6 minutes, one test case will execute. Like that. At a time, it is not execute. That is not a, that is we call a parallel execution. That is we call a parallel execution. Okay. Then the next one, types of exceptions. Types of exception. Okay. Types of Selenium, types of exception. The first one, illegal statement exception. Illegal statement exception. The first types of exceptions. First one, illegal statement exception. Okay. Yeah. This type of exception, we are able to get this type of exception, we are able to get while writing the code. This type of exception we are able to get while writing the code. Any spelling mistakes is there while writing the code. Any spelling mistakes is there, we are able to get this exception. Spelling mistakes, any spelling mistakes is there, we are able to get this exception. While writing the code, in that code, any spelling mistakes is there, we are able to get this type of exception. Next one, socket exception. Socket exception, do fast little bit. Okay. Socket exception. This type of exception we are able to get, the internet connectivity is not there properly. The internet connection is not there properly. We are able to get this type of exception. We are able to get this type of, the internet connection is not there properly. We are able to get this type of exception. Okay, is it clear? Next one, timeout exception. Timeout exception. Timeout exception. This type of exception we are able to get. This type of exception we are able to get. This type of exception we are able to get. The active window, it will be take. The active window, it will be take more than expected time. The active window, it will be take more than expected time. The active window, it will be take more than expected time. We are able to get this type of exception. We are able to get this type of exception. Okay, no such element exception. No such element exception. No such element exception. This type of exception we are able to get. No such element exception. This type of exception we are able to get. This type of exception we are able to get. The locator is not working properly. The locator is not working properly, or the locator is not working properly, or the expected element related, the expected element related, the expected element related, the expected element related locator is not working. Okay, the next one, selenium session not created. Selenium session not created exception. Selenium session not created exception. Selenium session not created exception. This type of exception we are able to get. Chrome driver version, browser version, both are different. Chrome driver version, browser version, both are different. Then we are able to get this type of exception. Chrome browser version, driver version, both are different. Then we are able to get this exception. Chrome browser version, driver version, Chrome driver version, both are different. We are able to get this type of exception. Okay. Element not interrupted exception. Element not interrupted exception. element not interrupted exception. Element not interrupted exception. Okay. Element not interrupted exception. Yeah, this type of exception we are able to get. This type of exception we are able to get while writing the locator. This type of element we are this type of exception we are able to get while writing the locator. While writing the locator, comma, the locator will be match more than two elements. The locator will match more than two elements. The locator will match more than two elements. The type we are able to get element interrupted exception. One more answer. One more answer. This type of exception we are able to get. This type of exception we are able to get on that element. On that element, any action is not working. This type of exception we are able to get on that element, any action not working. Null point exception. On that element, any action not working. On that element, any action not working. Null point exception. This type of exception we are able to get this type of exception we are able to get while reading the data from the sheet. While reading the data from sheet, in that sheet there is no data. While reading the data from the sheet, in that sheet there is no data. We are able to get this type of exception. We are able to get this type of exception while reading the sheet. There is no data. The time we are able to get this type of exception. Next one, file not found exception. File not found exception. File not found exception. File not found exception. Yeah. While reading the file, while reading the file in this specific location, while reading the file in this specific location, the file is not available. While reading the file, the specific location, the file is not available. Then we are able to get this type of exception. File not found exception. Stale element exception. While reading the file, that file is not available in expected location. The time we got file not found exception. Next one, stale element exception. Stale element exception. Okay. The locator related information is not there. The locator related information is not there inside of the DOM. The locator related information is not there inside of the DOM. Then we are able to get the locator related information is there. The locator related information is not there inside of the DOM. Okay, locator related information is not there inside of the DOM. Then we are able to get stale element exception. Okay, not the time they will ask, guys. Okay, how it will be changed. The locator, yesterday it is working, today is not working, we got a stale element exception. What is the problem? They will ask. Definitely. Okay, yesterday it is working, today it is not working. What is the problem? Okay, the time your answer, put the note. Once the developer change the backend, once the developer change the backend, once the developer change the backend, automatically front end will be changed. Automatically front end will be changed. Okay, once the developer change the backend, what is the backend? Yeah, the once developer change the code, automatically it will be changed front end also. Okay, done. Total how many exceptions? 9. File not found, still element to no such element to no such element done. Element interrupted, stale element to null point to WebDriver exception. Yeah, WebDriver exception. WebDriver exception. This type of exception we are able to get. The Selenium WebDriver is not working properly. This type of exception we are able to get. The Selenium WebDriver is not working properly. Then we are able to get this type of exception we are able to get. The Selenium WebDriver is not working properly. Then we are able to get the exception. Okay. Mahesh, fluent wait. If you want to execute any expected test cases again and again within the time, automatically, that is we call fluent wait. I will repeat. If you want to execute any expected test cases within the time again and again, automatically, that is we call fluent wait. That is we call fluent wait. Is it clear? Okay. Selenium is done. Selenium is done. You know, tomorrow you have one screening text Selenium in Naresh IT. You have an idea or not? Screen, did you get the any notification, you people? Tomorrow, Selenium screening text online and offline. The screening text is not a online, only offline. This building, okay, in this building, they will conduct the Selenium screening text. Okay. Um, once screening is completed, you people are able to move to the next level. The screening is not completed, you are unable to move to next level. Is it clear or not? So, manual testing, Java, Selenium, TestNG, okay, and the API also maybe is there. Some Git commands maybe it will ask, they will ask. Everything is there. Okay, Selenium complete, Java complete, and manual complete. I don't have an idea. Actually, I don't have an. Just I heard when she's showing that new Selenium test tomorrow. I don't have an. When I reach here, someone says tomorrow we have a Selenium um, screening. So must and should you people or need to attend the screening. I said every day, guys. Okay, opportunities is before it is not text. Okay, suddenly it will become opportunities. You people are ready to write any type of exam. Every day I said, okay. Actually, I don't have an idea. Those people are conducting the screening test. I didn't get any information from them. Uh, from online, I don't have an idea. Okay. You guys are communicate with admin. You people are able to qualify the screening. You guys are able to move to next level. You are unable to qualify, same position. Maybe tomorrow so many people are able to attend. Naresh IT. So many people. I think I am expecting above 3 plus 100. 3, not 300. In more than 500. I am expecting. Only Naresh IT. Only Naresh IT. Hmm? Yeah. All the screening test is there. Selenium is there, DevOps is there, Java is there, everything is there. But Selenium screening text is here, and Java, I think new building, different locations, different location. Okay, that's it. My notes is enough. You no need to verify anything from online or I don't have an idea. You guys are contact the admin people. They will explain. Okay, I said clearly, you guys are read carefully everything. What type of questions they will provide, I don't have an idea. Maximum, you people are able to answer 100%. I have some confidence. Mm-hmm. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Monday. Okay. So you guys all need to practice today. Okay. Complete today. How many codes is there? M- Manual testing, Selenium. Okay. And for example, you people are able to write the code also. Code also. Maybe the last time they provided code also. Yeah, no, Mahesh. Uh, every 3 months they will conduct one screening test. Every 3 months they will conduct one screening test. Only experts they will provide the question papers. One team is there. Okay. Screening team is there. Those people conduct the question papers. Actually, we don't have an idea. If I have an idea, definitely I will explain you. But we don't have an idea. That is separate team is there in Naresh. They will provide. But what type of questions they will give, I don't have an idea. Java or manual, but I don't know. You guys are ready to face any type of situation. Is it clear? Okay. So, yes, yeah, tomorrow class, I need to check what time they will conduct. I don't have an idea. Anything I will update in Google Classroom. Okay. They will conduct 9 o'clock. They will conduct 9:30. Your session is not there. Okay. They will conduct 11 o'clock. Your session is there. Or if you need to take leave, okay, it's okay, fine, no problem. You guys are need to practice. This is the good opportunity for you. Okay. They will conduct this type of screening every 3 months. Every 3 months they will conduct. Okay. You guys are able to participate. Don't miss it. This opportunity. If you guys are select, okay, next round will there technical. You guys are able to qualify, the technical is also is clear. Definitely you guys are got a job within 1 month. You people are able, they will provide the offer letter. This is the good opportunity. Okay. The next one is the test ng. The next one is the test ng. What is the test to ng? Hmm? What is the test ng? Ng? Hmm? Yes. New. What is the test ng? New generation, huh? Correct. Next generation. Test ng is nothing. Test ng is next generation. Very good. See, the test ng introduce Cedric Bust. Cedric, 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 Beust, Cedric Bust. In 2004 at Chicago, the Cedric Bust inspire JUnit, NUnit. Based on that JUnit, NUnit, the Cedric Bust upgrade the test ng. The test ng is next generation is the ng This is introduced Cedric Bust in 2004 at Chicago. At Chicago. The Cedric Bust inspired JUnit and unit. Based on that one, the Cedric Bust introduced TestNG. What is the difference between TestNG and JUnit and NUnit? JUnit and NUnit also one type of framework. Okay, JUnit and NUnit also one type of frameworks. Okay, by using TestNG, we are able to do the smoke testing, regression testing, retesting, end-to-end testing. Why we are not using JUnit and NUnit? Why we are using TestNG? The TestNG able to execute parallel execution and grouping in JUnit and NUnit does not allow the grouping and parallel execution. That is the problem. Next one. If you want to use TestNG, we are able to get the one pretty print report. One pretty print report. Without main method, we are able to execute the TestNG classes. Without main method, we are able to execute the TestNG classes. Why? When I discuss Java, continue method, you have an idea? Continue method. If you want to skip any one test case within the test cases, we need to use continue. The time I said one thing, one test cases we are able to skip by using continue. If you want to skip two test cases, three test cases, how we are able to skip? The time we got that question. Okay, that question answer I will provide in TestNG. Not only one, two, any expected test cases we are able to skip. We are able to skip any expected test cases. Okay. The TestNG is completely depends on the annotations. The TestNG is completely depends on the annotations. Okay. The TestNG is completely depends on the annotations. How to configure the TestNG? How to the TestNG? If you want to configure the TestNG, go to help. You need to click on Eclipse Marketplace. You need to click on Eclipse Marketplace. Once you guys are click on Eclipse Marketplace, in this marketplace, we need to enter TestNG. We need to enter TestNG. Once you guys are entered TestNG, the TestNG is already installed in my Eclipse. It should be displayed installed. It should be displayed installed. It is not installed, then it should be displayed install. Okay, it is installed already. You no need to touch anything. It is not installed. You need to click on install button and click on I accepted rules and regulations for TestNG and click on finish. Automatically the TestNG will be installed successfully. It is clear? You guys are unable to install in help level. We have one more option is there. Install new software. This is the second option. In Eclipse Marketplace, it is not available. This is the second option. This is the second option. You need to click on this option. Once you guys are click on this option, we need to provide here TestNG. Once you guys are provide here TestNG, see here name is there, pending is there. Here it should be displayed TestNG. See, I will provide here. See, TestNG. Okay. Once it is displaying the TestNG, once it is displaying the TestNG, you need to click on this check box. Once you guys are click on check box, you need to click on the finish button. Finish button. Then automatically the TestNG, it will be installed successfully. Then automatically the TestNG, it will be installed successfully. Okay. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Okay. This is the process. This is the process. If you want to install the TestNG, we have a two types of process is there. The first one is go to help, click on Eclipse Marketplace. The second one is go to help, click on install new software. These two options you need to verify. I will provide this one. You guys saw, take the screenshot. This is you need to enter in install new software. This is you guys are able to enter install new software. Clear? You are able to understand what is the TestNG when it is introduced, who is introduced. Okay, if you want to write the TestNG, what we need to do, what type of things we are able to use. If you want to do the any TestNG, must and should we need to use annotation. Annotation. Okay, is it clear? Next one, the TestNG framework I will discuss in Maven project. The TestNG framework I will discuss in Maven project. What is the Maven? The Maven is nothing but build management tool. What is the build? The build is nothing but a application. The build is nothing but a application. The Maven is nothing but build management tool. What is the build? Application. The Maven able to manage build related information. So that's why we call the Maven is the build management tool. Here in this Maven, we have one folder structure is there. We have one folder structure is there. In this Maven, the developer able to write the code in one location in Maven. the tester able to write one location in this Maven. Okay, what is the Maven? What is the Maven? This is the build management tool. What is the build? Application. Application related information the Maven will manage. Second point, in this Maven, we have different types of folders is there. In these folders, the developer make a code in specific folder. The tester make a code in specific folder. Once execute the code, automatically reports will be generated inside of the Maven. Basically, if you want to create a Selenium project, how you guys are able to create the Selenium project? If you guys are create a Selenium project, how you guys are able to create the Selenium project? At the That is correct. What is that one? Yeah. If you want to create a Selenium project, we need to add jar files. How you guys are able to add the jar file? Right click on the project, go to properties, select the Java build path, click on class path, add external jars. We need to add the jar file. That is the process. That is the process. Okay. See, if you want to create a Maven project, Selenium with the TestNG, we no need to add any jars. We need to add dependencies. This is framework. TestNG is the framework. Every framework I will discuss in Maven project. Okay. What is the Maven? This is the DevApp tool. Maven, Jenkins, Git. These are all DevOps tools. They have some management skills is there. Maven, Git, and Jenkins. So these are all things I will explain in Maven. Tomorrow I will provide. Tomorrow is there or not, I will inform you in Google Classroom. And first you need to get the information about the two screening text. Okay, you guys are able to get the information about the screening test. First of all, any doubt online? Yes, I will provide in Google Classroom. It is online, people also. You need to contact the admin guys. The admin will provide how they will conduct. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. If you have any doubt, please ask me. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will share the notes in Google Classroom. Okay. And I need a Selenium notes. Anybody write a complete notes. Okay, neatly. I need you guys provide that notes. I will provide to the next batch. Okay, anybody, online and offline, anybody, you people are able to write a notes in proper way and neatly, then you guys shall share to my email id, anil kumar testing 57 @gmail.com. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Bye. That is, I will explain tomorrow. Gayatri. Manadu, Satish.